Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's that time of the month again where we do a YouTube experiment. Today's experiment is going to be about leaving comments on a video and whether or not it actually makes a difference to the video at the end of the day. Our first video was all about leaving a like on a video and to see whether or not the algorithm will push out the video to a wider audience. If you haven't watched that video already, have a look in the description below where you'll see a link to that video. If you're curious about what these experiments are actually about, this is a series I'm making on my channel to test out the algorithm if there's anything specific a viewer can do to help your video get promoted more. So this is the second part in this series. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. If you guys are enjoying it, please leave a comment down below letting me know what else you'd like us to experiment on this channel, and please share it with other people. If you'd like to participate in this experiment, please go down below, leave a comment, anything you like. Even if you just want to say hi, it's perfectly fine. It's not about so much about what the content of the comment is actually about, but rather whether or not comments make a difference to the actual entire video, and does YouTube actually pay attention to comments, or how much weight do they actually place on comments in terms of the algorithm. So I know some of you are looking forward to the results of the first experiment. This is only day 13 of a 20-day experiment. So in 8 more days, I'm going to do a behind the scenes video of my analytics and whether or not the likes on the video actually made a difference. So thank you so much for those who decided to participate in the experiment. There's still time to do it. Just click on this link above here. You can participate in that first experiment as well. Just go into the video, watch the entire video through, leave a like, and let's see what the algorithm actually does at the end of the day. It would also be a great help for you guys to let me know what you would like to learn about YouTube and which elements you're not too sure about, as I try to create videos catered specifically for you, my audience. So also down below, when you're leaving that comment, just make sure to leave that information down below as well, so that I know what best to create for you in the future. I do have a whole bunch of videos lined up, but obviously every idea helps. Hey guys, as always, if you managed to this part of the video, I truly appreciate you. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you, yes, all of you, in the next video.